chop. It's like some kind of chop.
Yeah.
And we, give our trauma, get.
아이고.
Sorry. Please invite us out.
Bless you.